GG! Hello everyone, what is going on? It's me Ahmad Alam Khan and welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to compress your video size from larger to shorter in very easy method. So many people been recording their video gameplays and their video takes too much size and they don't want that size, I recorded this gameplay last night and it's like 2.21 GB. I don't want this size. How to decrease this video size in the same quality, let me show you. Step number 1, you need to download this application called Handbrake. Go to this website, link is in the description. Just download from here, download 64-bit. After downloading it, just install it. After installing it, just open the file called Handbrake and it's look like this. So now step number 2, which video you want to compress, just go to the video properties. You can see all details of the video over here. If you recorded video frame rate at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, you can see from here. Okay, now drag and drop the video to Handbrake like this. Leave picture tab as default, okay, don't change anything from here. Go to video section over here. Now you need to change the frame rate to 60 fps according to this video. If you recorded this video in 60 fps, you can see from the properties as I shown, and change it to constant frame rate. Now go to this S264 profile, change this to high, and that's it. Now go to audio section, change bitrate to the maximum quality for the best audio, and that's it guys. Now go to your browse and save the video and start. Wait for a while, it's rendering and compressing. It will take a little bit time according to the video size. Okay, as you can see, the video is almost done. When it's done, just close this and you can see the video over here. Okay, now let's see the video size. This is the original one, the size is 2.21 GB, and this is the compressed one. The size of this video is 728 MB. You can see the details are also almost same. So now let's play both of them and see the quality guys. So as you can see, these both are videos. This is the original one and this is the compressed one. It's almost the same quality guys, just a little bit decreased. And the lagging in the video, because I was lagging in the game, I had high ping in the lobby, that's why. I was playing in like 350 ping, that's why. If you found this video helpful guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel, and take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next, and I love you guys.